Okay guys, so you remember I said we're getting some new t-shirts, or maybe not t-shirts, long sleeve shirts for Christmas. Well, Christmas is here and the long sleeve shirt is here. So here we go, we're going to show you what we got for our new shirt. So you remember we had done the lovely girl with our logo on the back of our shirts. And a lot of you guys, because we had done it on a white t-shirt, a lot of guys came back and said, hey, I would love to have one, but I would prefer it on black. So we did a beautiful long sleeve black t-shirt, thinner long sleeved.
100% cotton.
100% cotton, right?
Yep.
Lisa designed the pinstriping.
Oh yeah.
So this is down the one sleeve, so when you got your arm out the window, your left hand arm, where you're cruising, it shows the pinstriping, and on the back is our logo with our girl. Lisa's got one here on, you can sort of see. There you go.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Now remember, Lisa's wearing a man's shirt. We never get women's shirts in. And there we go right there. What better way than to treat yourself to a Christmas present than to buy an old-time shirt?
Plus you'll have my striping.
That's right.
You gotta have my striping.
That's right, you'll have Lisa's striping. And if that doesn't do it for you, we'll get the shirt out of the way then, and we'll show you we've still got plenty of t-shirts for Carried Away, which is all the proceeds are going towards Terry's car. I'm restoring for him. We've got Bittersweet. Remember, it says car show today, paint and chrome don't get you home. We've got our girl on the back of a white t-shirt.
How come these keep getting all messed up?
Because I go in there. And we've got Black Betty right there.
Wait. You gotta get a good shot of Black Betty.
Really?
There we go. Yes.
Okay.
She's my favorite.
There we go.
Okay. There.
So there we go. And we've got decals. We've got all the decals. We've got decals right there everywhere for you. And I think that's it. We've got a couple fridge magnets over here. So that's it. So there we go. We've got the new long sleeve t-shirts in. And anything to add to that, or that's it? We're ready to go, right? There's nothing special about them?
Nope. They'll be up on the website. Yeah, they're pre-shrunk. If you do put them in the dryer, you can shrink them a little bit, because I found that these ones are a little bit big, so I actually shrunk mine in the dryer. So if you need to do that, you can do that. But if you don't want to shrink it, then just hang it to dry.
Yeah, and you are wearing a man's shirt though, too.
Yeah.
So
yeah. It's a little.
It's a little bit.
Tapering in the waist or anything like that, but. Who cares?
And we did a limited run. We've only got 60 of these available, so that's it, guys. So hey, Christmas is here. Pick something. Okay, we'll see you next time.